Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. We will study chapter 3, lessons from 21 to 30. We will learn the place and the value of the number and how to write the number in expanded form, standard form, and word form. Also, comparing between three-digit numbers, and finally ordering three-digit numbers. First, the place. It means the home of the digit in a number. Each number has home. This home is called place. When we were in grade 1, home is one room only, is once. The greatest digit for this room is 9. When we added 1, it became 10. 10 is 2 digits, so this home is very small, so we build a new home has 2 rooms. The first room is ones and the second room is tens. The greatest number I can put inside it is 99. If we added 1, it became 100. Oh, our home became very small. It's a 3 digit, so we need another home. This home, it will be 3 rooms. We can call them 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. The greatest number can I put inside it is 999. Now, let's learn how to read and write three-digit number in letters. For example, this number we know that the first digit is ones, the second digit is tens, and the third digit is hundreds. To read this number and write it in letters, we will start from the left. The first number from the left, I will say the number with its place. So, it's 700. We can't say 7 only. We must say 700. And we will put and read one sentence as a family. So it means 31. Then this number is 731. Another example. We will start from the left. We have here 200 and 54. Another example. We have this number, but we have here 0 in tens. We have nothing in tens. So this number is 309. We have some notes. The greatest three-digit number is 999. The smallest three-digit number is 100. For example, 253. Put the place above each digit: ones, tens, hundreds. The place of the digit 5. 5 in tens place. Then we write tens. The place of the digit 2. 2 in hundreds place. Then write hundreds. The place of the digit 3. 3 in the ones place. Then write ones. Second, the value. The value of any number depends on its place. How? If 2 in the ones place, its value is 2. If 2 in the tens place, its value is 20. If 2 in the hundreds place, its value is 200. Then, in ones, no zeros. In tens, we put 1 zero. In hundreds, we put 2 zeros. Example, 385. The value of the digit 3 is what? Let's put the place above each digit. Ones, tens, hundreds. 3 in hundreds. Then we write 300. We put 2 zeros. 300. The value of the digit 8 is what? 8 in tens. So we put 1 zero. The answer is 80. The value of the digit 5 is 5 in ones. No zeros. So we write 5. Also, we can represent the number using this model. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones as a small square, tens as a stick, hundreds as a big square, and you should know that the small square equal 1, the stick equal 10, the big square equal 100. And you should know that 10 ones equal 1 10. 10 from the small square equal 1 stick. Also 10 tens equal 100. 10 from the stick equal a big square. Let's count this model. We have here in ones 4 in ones and 6 in tens and 3 in hundreds. Then this number has 3 hundreds, 6 tens and 4 ones. For example, 253. Let's put the house above each digit. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then this number has 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 3 ones. Now open your book page 32 and 33, lesson 21. Write the numbers given by the teacher. You should write these numbers in your book. There's example. 3 hundreds, 8 tens, 5 ones. Draw 3 big square in hundreds and 8 stick in tens and 5 small square in ones. Let's solve number 1, 101. Put the house from the right. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then we have 1 in hundreds and 0 in tens and 1 in ones. Draw 1 big square in hundreds. Nothing in tens. Draw 1 small square in ones. Number 3. You can solve number 2. 341. 341. So 3 in hundreds, 4 in tens, 1 in ones. And draw 3 big square, 4 sticks and 1 small square. You can solve this exercise. Lesson 22. Let's complete this. 255. 2 in hundreds, 5 in tens, 5 in ones. Okay? And draw 2 big square, 5 sticks, 5 small square. Okay? Our math journal. Reflect on your learning. Answer the question below. How can 3 have different values? 301. We know that the first digit is ones, and the second digit is tens, and the third digit is hundreds. Then the value of 3 in this number is 300. 130. The value of 3 is 3 in tens, then its value is 30. 103. The value of 3 is 3 because 3 in ones. We have 3 forms to write the number. Number 1, word form. Write the number in words or in letters. Example, 172. Number 2, standard form. Write the digits that make up the whole number. Example, 542, 385. Number 3, expanded form. Write the number to show hundreds, tens, and ones that make the number. Example, 257. We know that the first digit ones and the second tens and the third hundreds. Then, to write it in expanded form, 200 plus 50 plus 7. Now we have some exercise. Complete. Number 1, 694. We wanted to write this number in the expanded form. We know that the first digit is ones, the second digit is tens, and the third digit is hundreds. To write this number in the expanded form, we will put 2 zeros to the number in the hundreds. So it will be 600. And we will put 1 zero to the number in the tens. So it will be 90. And we will not put any zeros to the number in the ones. So it will be 4. Then 694 equals 600 plus 90 plus 4. Number 2, 938. We have here 9 in hundreds, 3 in tens, and 8 in ones. To write this number in the expanded form, we will put 2 zeros to the number in the hundreds, 1 zero to the number in the tens, no zeros to the number in the ones. Then 938 equals 900 plus 30 plus 8. Number 3, 1 plus 50 plus 700. We have here the expanded form and we wanted to write the standard form. Then we will put ones, tens, hundreds. This one, it has any zeros? No, so it belongs to ones. Then I will put 1 in ones. This 50, it has any zeros? Yeah, it has 1 zero, so it belongs to tens. And I will put 5 in tens without any zeros. We just put 5 only. This 700, it has any zeros? Yeah, it has 2 zeros, so it belongs to hundreds. Then I will put 7 in hundreds without any zeros. Number 4, 300 plus 20 plus 5. To write it in the standard form, we have here 300. 300 has 2 zeros, so it belongs to hundreds. Then I will put 3 in hundreds without any zeros. 20. 20 has 1 zero, so it belongs to tens. Then I will put 2 in tens without any zeros. And 5. 5, it hasn't any zeros, so it belongs to ones. Then I will put 5 in ones. Then 300 plus 20 plus 5 equals 325. The last one, 200 plus 80 plus 0. We have here 200 has 2 zeros, so it belongs to hundreds. And 80 has 1 zero, so it belongs to tens. Then 200 plus 80 plus 0 equals 280. Now, page 37 and 38. Lesson 25. Copy the number on the board into the word form side of the chart. Then write the standard form of the number. The first one has been done for you. We have a table, standard form in the left, word form in the right. You should write this number in your book. You can solve this exercise. For example, 11 in word form. We can write it as a digits in the standard form. Another example, 13. We can write it as a digits in standard form, and also 19. The next page, our math journal, like a game. The first box, I have 224. Who has 300 plus 50 plus 3? This is the expanded form, and we can convert it or write it in standard form. 300 plus 50 plus 3 equals 353. The next box, I have 425. Who has 300 plus 20 plus 1? Write it in standard form, 321. I have 806. Who has 700 plus 60 plus 1? Write it in standard form, 761. The last one, I have 761. Who has 800 plus 0 plus 6? Complete this box. Now, comparing three-digit numbers. The crocodile always eats the greatest number. Then, which is the greatest, 432 or 824? Let's learn how to compare between two numbers. To compare between two numbers, use these symbols: greater than, less than, and equal to. For example, number 1, 71, 38. We have two digits, and we have here also two digits. Then look at the tens place. 7, 3. 7 is greater than 3. Then 71 is greater than 38. Number 2, 571, 938. Three digits and also three digits. Then look at the hundreds place. 5, 9. We know that 5 less than 9. Then 571 is less than 938. Number 3, 413, 462. Three digits and also three digits. Look at the hundreds place. 4 and 4. They are the same. Then look at the tens place. 1 and 6. And we know that 1 less than 6. Then 413 is less than 462. Number 4, 259, 255. We have three digits and also three digits. Look at the hundreds place, 2 and 2. The tens place, 5 and 5. They are the same. Then look at the ones place, 9 and 5. 9 is greater than 5. Then 259 is greater than 255. Open your book page 39 and 40, lesson 28. Write these numbers in your book, then compare the numbers and write less than, greater than, or equal in the circle. 300 and 200. 300 is greater than 200. 798, 987. 7 in hundreds, 9 in hundreds, then 798 is less than 987. 501, 510. We have here 5 in the hundreds place and 5 in the hundreds place. They are the same. Then look at the tens place. 0 and 1. Then 501 is less than 510. Complete this exercise. The last one, 170, 117. 1 in hundreds and 1 in hundreds. Look at the tens. 7 and 1. Then 170 is greater than 117. The next page, our math journal. Reflect on your learning. Write or draw directions for how to compare numbers. Number 1. Look at the hundred place to decide which is bigger. Number 2. If it equal, look at the tens place. Number 3. If it equal, look at the ones place. Finally, ordering 3-digit numbers. We will compare numbers and order them, ascending or descending. Ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. Descending order from the biggest to the smallest. For example, write the numbers in order from least to greatest. It means ascending order. Which is the smallest number? 15, 9, 24, 132, or 7? The smallest number here is 7. Then write 7 and cancel it. And the smallest is 9. Write 9 and cancel it. We have here 15, 24, 132. The smallest is 15. Write 15 and cancel it. And write 24 and cancel it. And the last number 132. Now page 41 and 42. Lesson 29. Write the numbers in order from least to greatest. It means ascending order. Then, which is the smallest number here? 17, 9, 2, 3, or 8? The smallest number is 2. Then write 2 and cancel it. And write 3 and cancel it. And write 8, cancel it. We have 17 and 9. Write 9 and cancel it. And the last number is 17. Complete this question. The last one, write the numbers in order from greatest to least. It means descending order. Then, which is the greatest number here? 28, 4, 38, 241, or 34? The greatest number is 241. Then write 241 and cancel it. 28, 4, 38, 34. The greatest, 38. Write 38 and cancel it. And write 34 and cancel it. 28 and 4. The greatest is 28. Then write 28 and cancel it. And the last number 4. Write 4 and cancel it. The next page, work with your shoulder partner to choose 5 game cards. Then write the numbers on your game cards from least to greatest. We have a cards, okay? Then write the numbers from least to greatest. It means ascending order. The smallest one here is what? 99. And the smallest 156. Then complete this exercise. Our math journal, write or draw what you did well and what you still need to work on. What I did well: read and write three-digit numbers. Arrange the numbers ascending and descending. Complete this page and goodbye. Test your understanding using this link.